Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ZEEPR token. Now the ZEEPR token is on the Solana blockchain. This is a fairly new token, ticker symbol ZEEP, and they're getting a big central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the ZEEPR token, how you can get it, and if there's any warnings on their audits. We're going to go over some quick audits here, see if they have a full audit, or if hopefully they have a KYC and that type of stuff. We'll go over that. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, at first glance, I just punched in the contract address into DEX Screener, and two different pools popped up. So, the first one was for RAYDIUM, and they actually says here that there is very little liquidity in the RAYDIUM pool, and it says $76 worth of liquidity. So it looks like most of their pool, like if you click on the ORCA one here, maybe that's a separate pool. No, this ORCA one also says very little liquidity, $31 worth of liquidity. So that's strange. Now, if I go over to DEX Tools, though, and I punch it into DEX Tools, it says they have $119,000 in liquidity in RAYDIUM. So I don't know what's going on with DEX Screener and this contract address, but for some reason, DEX Screener is telling me there's only $31 worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM. But then on DEX Tools, it says there's actually $119,540 worth of liquidity. So, I mean, that's strange. Obviously, there is liquidity, and this DEX Tools one is probably more accurate, but I don't know why that's popping up like that on DEX Screener. Now, they have 1,920 holders. They have a market cap of $1.53 million, so they're doing very well, this project here. And, yeah, so let's just ignore that weird DEX Screener thing there. Now, it says the pool was created 7 days, 14 hours ago as of recording this video. It's going to be a little later than that by the time I upload this video. Yeah, this token here is on SolScan. It says their current supply is $99,999,898,780 or dollars. Tokens, sorry, not dollars. That'd be a lot of dollars. So yeah, a little bit over 99.9 billion tokens. They started out obviously with 100 billion, and it's a deflationary token. 6 decimal places on this token here. So it was just announced that this token will be listed here on a very big exchange, March 28th. This token will be listed on Gate at 2 p.m. UTC time. Now, it says here 40% of the tokens went to pre-sale, so they had a pre-sale, and it says 20% burned, 20% fully unlocked, and then we got 20% going to the community, 10% unlocked weekly, 20% going to trading incentives, 10% unlocked weekly, and 20% liquidity fully unlocked. So just be aware of there is some things unlocked here according to Gate. So it says ZEEPR is an omni-chain trading layer powering all types of public chains and layer 2, serving as a plug-and-play trading infra with built-in Oracle cross-chain bridge, trading community, and one-fits-all liquidity pool. So that's the info on this token here. And yeah, so they're getting this big gate listing. In the meantime, though, this token will be listed on RAYDIUM. You can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet or Soulflare wallet with Solana, going into the dApps, finding RAYDIUM, and then trading your Sol for this token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, ZEEPR.io. They also have a document section, ZEEPR.gitbook.io/docs. You can check that out as well. And yeah, you can see the gate announcement on their Twitter. Now, I'm going to also be uploading another token info video on Pundu, which is a very popular Solana meme coin that got listed March 26th on MEXC Global, Gate, and a whole bunch of other big central exchanges. So check that video out if you're interested in Solana tokens that are getting big central exchange listings. I go over the security on that token as well. So yeah, this token here you can find on Dex Screener, on Dex Tools. Now let's go over some of the security info on this token here. So they have an audit on Dex Tools. Now it says no alerts. Now they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So just keep in mind that's just a quick audit. They have a DEX score of 63 out of 99. Community trust score is only 50%. And yeah, so if we go over to their document section, that will tell they have an audit. So let's check that out there. So ZEEPR.gitbook.io/docs has a whole bunch of info on it. And if you scroll down, there's the welcome to ZEEPR. So it gives you like what it is, what we already talked about, what it is. It gives you a trading guide for the protocol. Gives you the liquidity pool information, BRCI index introduction, coin margin, margined perpetual contract, and then there's a section called audits. So it says the protocol has been audited by BOSIN team. Additional audits are planned as more protocol code is developed. You can find all the finalized audit reports in the audit folder. So let's click on that here. So they do have, it says here, ZEEPR Labs BioSyn audit report. This was done September 26th, 2023. So it's a fairly old audit. Looks like they have some different links here as well. We'll check that out in a minute. So it says a summary of the audit. After auditing, there is 1 high risk and 2 low risks items identified in the ZEEPR project. So be aware of that. 1 high risk. So let's check out what that is here. So, I mean, it's a very long audit report here. Now, it says they're on the BNB chain. Now, for some reason, this is on Solana though. The token they give, or the address they give you, so it could be cross-chain here. And oh, it looks like there's different ones for the Sol audit, so we can go over that. So this is for their BNB contract actually. So there's a high risk warning on here though. So and yeah, so it says they go over the audit consists of collateral-based perpetual futures contract divided into 2 main components. They talk about the whole length of the audit. So users should pay attention to the following things. So it says they acknowledged the high risk and they fixed 2 low-risk ones. So the risk description, it says the current default leverage in the contract is set at a 1,000 times and the project team may adjust the leverage multiplier based on the actual circumstances after the project goes live. So that's the high risk warning there. So be aware of that. It says they've acknowledged it and they fixed the 2 low risk ones. So that's good that they fixed the 2 low risks, but it doesn't say fixed for the full audit there. And yeah, so this is for the BNB contract though. So interesting. I don't know why they don't have a Sol one. I just clicked on the other one, but yeah, anyways, you can review these 2 audits. I am going to leave a link up there so you guys can find this audit report that I'm talking about. It's basically on the webpage, and it's linked on their document section, which you could find at zeepr.gitbook.io/docs. So their quick audit is fine for the Solana token, and then they have this audit for a BNB contract that says there's a high-risk warning. Now, I don't know if it's the same contract and it's cross-chain, doesn't specify, but yeah, it's kind of strange that they have a full audit for a BNB contract, and the Sol contract is the one that's getting listed. But anyways, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? I think there is risks, obviously. There's not a full audit on the Solana contract. It says there was a high risk for the BNB contract, and it was only acknowledged and not fixed. There's some weird stuff on Dex Screener saying there's not enough liquidity. I don't know why that's happening. So some strange stuff, but, I'm not going to say that this token is a scam, but I'm also not going to say it's not a scam because, it's not fully sound. The contract is not fully sound from what I can tell. So, let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.